Today on AM Buffalo, we are visiting Ramos and Ramos. This is the law firm that in the last 5 years has had the biggest jury verdict in the whole of Western New York. Right now, we're going to meet Josh Ramos. Who is Ramos and Ramos? What is Ramos and Ramos?
Well, Ramos and Ramos is a law firm started by my wife and I about 5-6 years ago. We started just helping people, friends and family. Started when it was just her and I and no staff whatsoever, and we really loved just helping people out. And we naturally fell into a couple areas of practice, including personal injury, workers' comp, and my wife, who's my law partner and boss actually, she does a lot of real estate and helps a lot of people buy and sell homes.
Wow, and you guys actually met. You have a lovely meeting story, and I know this is digressing away from like the serious business of law that you do, but you met before you were even lawyers, working at TGI Fridays, is that right?
Yeah, we're both in undergrad. I was at UB and she was at Buffalo State, and we were waiting tables together. And part of the story was when I first seen her, I fell for her, and when she first seen me, she wanted nothing to do with me and couldn't stand me. So that's the amazingness of us getting together, and I guess I won that, so I'm a lucky guy.
That's amazing. When is it a good time to call a lawyer? Like when you're buying a property, when you've been injured, like when is the time that you should make a call and reach out to a legal team?
Well, it never hurts to do it up front. You know, ideally, in a perfect world, you wouldn't need us, but unfortunately, you know, most people, they might be a worker, they might be a professor, they don't know the law and they're getting into something. It doesn't hurt to reach out, whether it's our firm, someone else's. Always reach out and just say, hey, is there something I need to be protected on? You know, and especially what we do here, you know, the calls are always free. In most personal injury firms, the calls are free. It doesn't cost anything to sign someone up. Same thing with the real estate. We don't really charge people until we close. So it doesn't hurt to reach out up front, because you know, nothing worse than not being protected down the road.
If people want to reach out to you guys, what's the best way to do it?
I'd say just with a phone call. It's 810-6140. We have a staff on duty. Like I said, it started out with just my wife and I. Now there's 30-something employees of Western New York that live here, and we're always available to help out, take calls, answer questions. There's a lot of clients who they just call and have a question. We're happy to help out. So if you have a question, call.
So Josh, there are a lot of personal injury firms here in Western New York. What sets you guys apart?
Well, the reason why I tell people to call us is because at the end of the day, it's not about their case and how much money we can get. It's actually about their medical recovery. There's a lot of good, hardworking people that they wake up in the morning, they didn't plan on getting hurt or in a car accident or slip and fall at work. And our goal, quite frankly, is to say, hey, let's work with you right away to get you into treatment, to make sure you can actually get back into work and make sure you get healthy again. That is the most important thing for us. We don't look at it saying, hey, let's set this up to make $1 million. That's not why we take cases. We do that, but at the end of the day, I just want our clients to get back to work. They didn't want to sue anybody. They didn't want to go after insurance claims. They want to get better, and that's where we focus on, is really making sure they can get in with their doctors, they can treat, they can get better, they can go back to being a parent, a sibling, a brother, a sister, and get back to work again, because at the end of the day, these clients have bills, they have to pay their rent, their mortgage, and that's what matters to me. That's what matters to my attorneys that work here. We're a team, and we all have that same mindset, and I think that's what's important.